What's up, everybody? Now welcome back to another special video. Today I'm gonna be well, I already unboxed it, and it's about the Avengers Infinity War Nerf gun. And guess which one it is? First and guess which one? It's the Spider-Man one. And I got this at Walmart today. I found it and I really wanted it, so I just got it, and my mom let me get it. And here's how I done it. Let me tear it off, I can put it back together. Well, I can't take this. So here's how I made it. Well, really, my mom made it. So, you put this inside. Does it go? No, it doesn't go on that side. Alright, so got that part on. Now it's time to put this part on. You just gotta see that little slipper? You got that little slipper right there too. Then you slip the slipper onto the slipper. You got that? Really? In a little bit I'm fishing to make it of my own, but I'm not gonna make a YouTube video of it. Alrighty, here it is. You just gotta put the board in and make sure it's in really, really good. Now you pull this, see this? Well, there's like a golden lever, and you pull it back and let it sit there. And then it's like that little button right there. You press it, and then look. It's shot. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.